Hello, my dear viewers and my dear subscribers. Today we're making a stock from a grass-fed, grass-finished ribs, beef ribs. If you saw my grass-fed smashed burger, it's the same company as you can see here. Grass-fed and grass-finished short ribs. And that's what we have here. I already got them to the simmering point, and I added salt, Celtic salt, couple of teaspoons, maybe 3 teaspoons, this particular peppercorns, a dozen of them, and this Greek bay leaf, as you see. I also skimmed it. So far, when the braised ribs will be finished, we'll make something with them. Probably I'm going to repeat the red wine short rib, and I'm going to use red wine I'm drinking to deglaze it and make a same type of a stew as you already saw from a short rib I got from Whole Food. Here's the other stuff I got. This is little tomatoes. They come from organic market, local mom's organic market, and they come about a quarter each. They're smaller than Canadians, so Canadians I think came to like 50 cents each. This is organic avocados from Whole Foods were delivered this morning, together with the scallions and carrots. As you can see, I took good carrots and put them in water, and also scallions. This is organic onions. Organic onions I'm keeping in this kind of container. They seem to keep beautifully, and a garlic in this one. Also, I have one for potatoes. Now, you could keep this in this particular containers made for the refrigeration of herbs, but they're kind of smallish. So when it's less than I put them in, like they can keep like maybe 4 carrots and a half of the bunch of parsley. This is organic parsley, and I wanted to show you how I keep it. Again, it's in a glass of filtered water. I'm using Poland spring water. I don't have filtered water. I've tried. It doesn't work. The quality of water is very bad. Let me know where you're watching me from. How's your water? Now, the good carrots are in water and also going to be covered with a bag. After you cover it with a bag, make sure it's all through the rubber band. You can see here. Open it and blow inside. And the balloon will keep it much nicer in the refrigerator. I'm going to do the same with the scallions, but I'm going to take the tops and I'm going to use them in stock later on, together with some onion and some carrots. Here I removed the carrots, which is no reason to put in water. As you can see, they're slightly damaged. It's not a season in Boston, so we get what we can. So this is it. This is what we're cooking. This is the remaining of that Poland spring water. I got 2 more jugs delivered this morning. And once again, this is how the stock looks. It will cook for a while, and after that, we'll be making something else with it. Stay by. I hope you like this presentation. You're on a channel Staying Healthy with Ella, 50, 60 and beyond, and I'm Ella. I appreciate all your likes and your subscribing. I would be so happy if you would subscribe, because on the right of this video or in the middle, you're going to see the subscription button, and I'm going to have a previous braised rib from Whole Food and probably Whole Food delivery as well on each side of the subscription button. At that, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.